Hi, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. By the way, we saved the best tip at the latter part of the video. Now for today's topic. Did you know the average American household carries over $6,000 in credit card debt? Unbelievable, right? Let me ask you a question. What is the leading cause of divorce? If you answered infidelity, abuse, or compatibility, you're wrong. In a poll conducted by Divorce Magazine, the leading cause of divorce is financial issues. Debt is a constant worry that can keep you up at night, impact your relationships, and even affect your physical health. But here's the good news. Team Believe It compiled the best government help you can get so you don't have to face this alone. Debt can creep up on you like a sneaky ninja. One minute you're swiping your card for a few small purchases, the next you're staring at a mountain of bills wondering how you got there. Millions of people are facing similar challenges, and there's no shame in admitting you need a little help. Think of debt like a messy closet. Ignoring debt won't make it disappear. The longer you wait, the bigger the mess becomes. So take a deep breath, open that closet door, and let's start sorting things out. Asking for help is like asking for directions when you're lost. It doesn't mean you're a bad driver, it just means you need a little guidance to get where you want to go. Similarly, seeking help with debt doesn't mean you're bad with money. It simply means you're smart enough to recognize you need some assistance navigating a complex financial landscape. There are experts out there who can provide the support and resources you need to get back on track. Think of it like this. If you broke your leg, you wouldn't try to set it yourself, would you? You'd go to a doctor, a professional who knows how to fix broken bones. Debt is like a financial broken leg. It requires expert attention. Financial advisors and government programs can provide the medical attention you need to heal your finances and regain your financial mobility. There's a misconception that asking for help is a sign of failure, but in reality, it's a sign of strength. The government offers a variety of programs designed to help people manage and eliminate debt. One such program is the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, a nonprofit organization that provides credit counseling and debt management services. Another helpful resource is the Department of Housing and Urban Development. HUD offers programs to help homeowners avoid foreclosure, including loan modification and refinancing options. For student loan borrowers, the Department of Education offers several repayment plans, including income-driven repayment plans that adjust your monthly payments based on your income and family size. Navigating these programs can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, there are resources available to help. You can also contact the agencies directly for personalized assistance. Here are some real-life stories. We changed the personal information for their privacy and protection. Let's start with Fidel. A single dad struggling with mounting credit card debt, he felt like he was drowning in bills. After enrolling in a debt management program through the NFCC, Fidel was able to consolidate his debt, lower his interest rates, and create a manageable repayment plan. Within 3 years, he was debt-free and able to start saving for his daughter's college education. Then there's Jermaine, a teacher who was burdened by student loan debt. He enrolled in an income-driven repayment plan through the Department of Education, which lowered his monthly payments to an amount he could afford. Another inspiring story is that of Jake, a failed CEO who lost his job and was left by his fiancée. Now he is facing foreclosure. HUD helped him negotiate with his lender to reduce his monthly mortgage payments, allowing him to keep his home. Now he is living happily with his deaf dog. Each government program has specific eligibility criteria. For example, income-driven repayment plans for student loans are based on your income and family size. Loan forgiveness programs may require employment in certain public service sectors. HUD programs have specific requirements related to homeownership and financial hardship. The application process for these programs can vary. Some programs require extensive documentation, while others are more streamlined. Don't be intimidated by the application process. Reach out, ask for help, and start your journey toward a brighter financial future. As always, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. Thank you.